TinkerCAD tip. In this video, I'll show you how to put lettering around the outside circumference of a cylinder, like in this example. For now, let's go ahead and select this and delete it. We'll start by bringing in a cylinder and making it larger. We'll increase the number of sides, and we'll color it blue to make it a little easier to see. Click on our text, put that on the work plane, and for now, let's just change it to the letter T. Let's scale that down a little bit. Come to the side. Let's rotate this up 90 degrees. We'll raise it up to about where we want it. Move it back into the cylinder, roughly where we want it. Now we're going to take that T, we're going to duplicate it. We want to rotate this 180 degrees as well. We're going to take that duplicate and we're going to move it to the other side of the cylinder. Let's go around the back side here. Move that into the cylinder a little bit. Now while that one is selected, we want to come back and select the one up front by holding the Shift key. Now let's take all of our objects, click on Align, and we'll align them on the center here. Select the front letter, come around to the back. We'll select that back letter, and just for the moment, we're going to go ahead and group them together. Come back here, we'll select everything again, click on Align, and we'll also align them in this direction. Click on the letters again, ungroup them. Now, while both letters are still selected, you can see here that back one is selected and the front one. We're going to click on the Duplicate button here. We're going to click on this, and we're going to rotate them 20 degrees. And as we click on Duplicate, you'll see that we get more letters. There, we have letters all the way around. Now, one by one, we can begin changing these letters. So here we have our T. Click on this one. Let's change that to a lowercase I, N, K, E, R, capital C, A, D. To blank a letter, you just merely click on it and you can hit delete. You already have a T, lowercase I, P, S, exclamation, and we'll do delete, delete, delete. So there we have our text. Now you'll note, if you look here, that some of the letters are no longer at the same level as the others. For instance, this P and this S. And we can fix that. We're going to select everything, Holding the Shift key, we're going to click on the cylinder to deselect it. While all of the letters are selected, we can click on Align, and then using this button here, we can click on that, and now you'll see that all of our letters are level with each other. Again, we can select everything. Holding Shift, we can deselect the cylinder. Let's go ahead and group together all of the letters. And we can change them to white, for example. There they are as white. Selecting everything, we can group those together. And by default, TinkerCAD will want to make them all the same color. We can come back up here and change them to multicolor. So there you have it. Quick way to do raised lettering all the way around the circumference of a cylinder. Hope you enjoyed that one. Thanks for watching.